Territory. Delhi is an union territory. Sikkim become the state. 35 amendment. 36 से 35 से एसोसिएट स्टेट था और 36 से फुल स्टेट वुड मिला. 36 75 में और 35 74 में. सिक्किम बिकम फुल फ्लेज 75 में. 36 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट से. सेपरेट बनाचल स्टेट कार्व्ड आउट. बिहार can be made possible by completing constitutional formalities. State of Manipur was formed in 1972. मेघालय त्रिपुरा से अलग होकर मणिपुर was formed as state along the 28 स्टेट ऑफ द इंडिया. झारखंड 2000 में 15 नवंबर 2000 को. आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस बीच ईयर वेयर द इंडियन स्टेट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड ऑन द लिंग्विस्टिक बेसिस. 1956. स्टेट रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन कमीशन इन 1953. मोर देन द एबव. फजल अली द मेंबर ऑफ कमीशन. हृदयानंद खुंजरू और के.एम. पानीकर. Citizenship cannot be obtained by deposition of money in Indian bank. Citizenship Act passed 11 December 2019. What is the objective of Citizenship Amendment Act? Granting citizen to oppressed minority group in Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. फंडामेंटल राइट 12 से 35 पार्ट 3 में. Which one of the following subject fall within the jurisdiction of both High Court and Supreme Court? Protection of fundamental right. Under which category does right to constitutional remedy fall? 32 से 35. Not independent right in itself, rather it is the right to enforce other fundamental right. Fundamental right, legal right or constitutional right. Constitution of India provides reasonable restriction on fundamental right, but reasonableness must keep in mind that 1 and 2. The interest of general public is safeguard. Prevailing social well and also social need are not bar. Following writ applies against the illegal detention of a person. Habeas corpus. Right conferred by the Constitution of India is also available to non-citizen. Right to constitutional remedies. A British citizen staying in India cannot claim right to freedom of trade and profession. Choose the fundamental right available to Indian citizen but not to aliens. Freedom of speech and expression, a right of minorities. So the right is available to all person. 19 और 29 only Indian citizens. Not fundamental right. Right to property. Right to property removed from list of fundamental right. Morarji Desai. National flag atop the private building is fundamental right of every citizen under 19 का 1. Human right as well as fundamental right under the Constitution of India. Right to citizen added through the amendment of the Constitution 1 April 2010. Right to education added to the Indian Constitution by an amendment 1 April 2010. Added to the original list of fundamental right. Right to free and compulsory primary education. Related with the freedom of press. 19. Constitutional remedy is also known as post-mortem certiorari. Power to enforce fundamental right of the Constitution. Supreme Court or High Court. DPSP The concept welfare state is included in the constitution in India. DPSP. Welfare state, DPSP. Gandhian principle और नॉट, डू नॉट ने जो दो नहीं है, राइट टू वर्क 4 नहीं है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में विलेज पंचायत और कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री है। DPSP among the ये बी 1 और 2 है, इक्वल पे फॉर इक्वल वर्क, और ये दोनों नहीं है। DPSP ऑफ द स्टेट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम फंडामेंटल राइट. DPSP is not enforceable while the fundamental rights are enforceable. ऑर्गेनाइज गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइज पंचायत 40 में है, ये ऑर्गेनाइज पंचायत 40 में है, ऑर्गेनाइज पंचायत 46 में। अंडर द विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पंचायती राज सिस्टम इस्टेब्लिश फॉर इंडिया. DPSP. यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड 40, ऑर्गेनाइज विलेज 44 और ये विलेज पंचायत 40। सेपरेशन ऑफ जुडिशियरी 50, इंटरनेशनल पीस 51, एग्रीकल्चर एंड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री 48, फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज 10 commandments which were added to 42nd constitutional amendment are called fundamental duty. Incorporated in the Constitution of India by 42nd incorporate fundamental duty. Fundamental duty 42nd से fundamental duty is to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. President, executive head of the state in India. President. Executive power of central government vested to the president. Who of the following when best executive power central president? President is part of parliament. Supreme commander of defense forces of India. President. President of India exercise his power either directly or through the officers subordinate to him. Indian president eligible for re-election any number of times. Electoral college for the election of president of India consists elected member of both house of parliament and elected member of a state legislative assembly. President is elected by the electoral college जिसमें कि बोथ पार्लियामेंट और लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली का असेंबली दिल्ली और पुडुचेरी का मेंबर ऑफ स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल नॉट इंक्लूडेड. President is elected by system proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. If there is any dispute regarding presidential election, it can referred by Supreme Court of India. Which one of the following electoral college for the president but not forum for his impeachment? Legislative assembly. वो नहीं आता है इम्पीचमेंट में, सिर्फ पार्लियामेंट का ही मेंबर रहता है. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया के रिकॉर्डिंग क्या कौन सा करेक्ट है? B153 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया मेंशन द एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर ऑफ यूनियन vested to president. President shall hold office for a term of 5 years from date on which he enters. Article 60 impeachment नहीं 61 impeachment है. Position of president and vice president are vacant. Who office is Chief Justice of India. If the office of president of India is vacant and vice president and chief justice of India are not available, who will be the appointed senior most judge of Supreme Court? President of India can be removed from his post by Parliament. Indian Constitution does not empower the President of India with the right of appointment of chief minister in a state. The President of India does not have the right to remove a judge of Supreme Court. What is the sequence number of Pratibha Patil as President of Republic of India? 12। द्रौपदी मुर्मू जो है वो फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया राजेंद्र प्रसाद बिलोंग टू विच बिहार? First President of Independent India hailed from Bihar. Bill present in Parliament become an act after the President has given assent.